Hey, Mom, this is my boyfriend, Jake. Hi, Jake. Nice to meet you. Hey, Mrs. Adams.
Another one?
Shut up. That's my little brother. What did he mean by another one? Just ignore him. You ready to go swimming? Yeah, I'm ready. Do you want to take your little brother? Ha, he doesn't even know how to swim. Really? Isn't that right, brother?
Yup.
You see? Babe, even your dog is better than him. Babe, come on, you don't have to say that.
And why do you say that?
'Cause his dog can swim.
Sis,
Yeah?
can you swim?
Of course.
So what's the difference from you and the dog?
Oh, great heavens!